I got some bubble wrap. Ooh, yeah. That was just really awkward. Okay, let's just keep it moving. Hey, what's going on? It's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to do a July doTERRA LRP unboxing and go over all the great stuff I got. It's always like Christmas in a box every time I get my shipment, and I love it because it helps me maintain my wellness lifestyle and keep that quality of life, right? So what we did to get well, we're doing to stay well. So that's the whole purpose of this, and I love unboxing this. It, releases a little bit of dopamine, that surprise factor, even though I kind of know what I got because I updated my cart. But anyways, without further ado, let's open this thing. All right, we got our order here, so let's open this bad boy up. Maybe it's a bad girl, I'm not sure. Anyways, let's see here. Okay. I love the custom logoing on everything too. You always know when your shipment's coming. That's cool. All right, so we'll open this up. Oh, yeah. Okay, so what I got this time, it's kind of like Noah's Ark. There's two of everything this time. Not really, but kind of. Anyways, I got two of the V-Shakes because I ran out, and then I needed to get a couple more because I do a lot of green smoothies, so that's the main reason for these. And yeah, this is a good source of fiber as well as protein, and it is low carb as well. So for those doing keto, you can definitely benefit. And if you're doing vegan keto, boom. Or I just recommend doing a plant-based protein powder as well to help support your overall weight management goals as well as your body. Yeah. Oh, and the main ingredients of this, just so you know, are right here. So you got protein blend of pea protein, quinoa, you have amaranth, there's a fiber blend of soluble corn fiber, xanthan gum, citrus fiber, terra gum, sunflower extract, natural flavors, Essentra trim, ashwagandha, and then some stuff I can't pronounce. And then there's potato protein powder, citric acid, and stevia. So there is, it has a vanilla flavor, which I like. And so yeah, I probably run through about a tub and a half a month sometimes. So that's why I got two this time. All right. So let's keep it going. Oh, and there's always, like a little card that kind of summarizes the specials you get. And so the July enrollment promo is pretty awesome. You get a free 15 ml wild orange by placing a new 100-point enrollment order from July 1st through July 31st. So you can earn a 15 ml wild orange and a 15 ml Kabaiba by placing a 200-point enrollment order from July 1st through July 31st. And that way you can kick off your summer months with two of the most popular oils, place your qualifying order, and get two oils for free. Yeah! And if you missed that one, oh, and there's a 10% special in July with the exfoliating body scrub. Love that stuff. Smells great too. Helps to basically polish your skin, and it's a great time to use it is in the shower as well. Anyways, always great specials going on every month, and sometimes they help you out when you're enrolling. All right, so let's keep it going here. What do we got? We have the, whoa, hello. We have, oops, okay. Ooh, yeah. What is this? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, cedarwood. Okay, so this is the product of the month. Cedarwood's great for skin, has a nice woodsy scent, great to diffuse. And if you really don't know how to use an oil, what I always recommend is just, you take off the cap and just put a little bit on your shower walls and call it a day, and then you get a nice aromatherapy experience. So yeah, this is great for sleep as well, supports restful sleep, and love cedarwood. Oh, and I keep these too, just in case I need to ship stuff out in the future for samples, but yeah, I keep these in a box, and I guess it's what, the bubble wrap, sticky bubble wrap? But yeah. Okay, cedarwood, awesome, love that. Let's keep it going. All right, so this is what I originally pulled out, but this is the Lifelong Vitality Pack, so this is the vegan version. This is what I get. There's also a regular version as well, and this is really just good for helping to support a lot of different bodily functions. Let's talk about each one. So this one is the Vegan Microplex VMZ, and this helps fill in the gap from what you don't get from your food. And a lot of people are like, Lance, I ate healthy. That term is overused, but this does help to fill in the gaps, because most people eat a lot of processed foods or animal protein consumption as well. So you have a lot of whole food vitamins and minerals here. There's a proprietary whole food blend as well. You get active enzyme blend. That's great for helping to break down your foods, the proteins, fibers, carbs, and fats. And then there's a tummy tamer blend specific to doTERRA that has caraway seed, ginger, and then as well as peppermint. And this is going to help with taming the tummy, because sometimes, things can get a little upset down there. So this is really good. And this is part one of the three amigos in the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So let's continue it going here. All right, so I'm going to put this off to the side, and we're going to keep talking about the others in here. Okay, so the other one is the Alpha CRS Plus. This is normally just plant-based and vegan. This is the Cellular Vitality Complex. A lot of different cellular longevity blend ingredients, as well as a cellular energy blend and the tummy tamer blend. So you can probably guess what this helps with, which is a natural form of energy by helping the mitochondria in your cells, which are like the little engine in your cells. So that's really important. And this is a great energy drink, or it's a great alternative basically to a lot of different things. And but yeah, so if you're drinking coffee or energy drinks, this is a really great option and alternative. So boom, Alpha CRS Plus. All right, so we'll keep looking at the other options in here. So what we have is the VE Omega. So there's also an XE Omega that's just marine-based, Omega 3, 6, and 9s, but this is the VE Omega, the vegan version. So you have, so there's some vitamins, vitamin A, D, and E, as well as the vegetarian Omega blend, as well as the carotenoid blend, and then the certified pure therapeutic grade. This is great because you get 9 essential oils. It helps you with your cellular function, as well as this helps to support brain, as well as muscle and joint function as well. So really great supplement to take. And basically what you do, I mean, you can put these in bowls and stuff, but what I like to do is I have like a little AM and PM holder, but it's 2 from each in the morning and the night. So it's 2 in the morning from here, 2 in the morning from here, and 2 in the morning from here in the morning. And then you have 2 in the evening, 2 in the evening, and 2 in the evening. So basically, you're going to be taking 12 capsules total each day. And it's best to split it up so your body can basically absorb that better. And then because they're whole food, your body absorbs it better as well. And because you're getting them in your body, it's not just getting stuff in your body, it's also what you absorb. And so that's going to be very important, and these help with all that. So this is doTERRA's best-selling product, actually the regular version, not the vegan one. But yeah, so the 3 amigos is what I like to call these. There you go. All right, so let's talk about what else I got. I got some bubble wrap. Ooh, yeah. That was just really awkward. Okay, let's just keep it moving. All right, so what else we got here? We have the TerraZyme, and back to Noah's Ark here. So we got 2 of almost everything, but not really. Just the enzymes and the V shake. Okay, why are enzymes important? Well, there's about 10 different enzymes in here, as well as the tummy tamer blend. Do you see a pattern? This is a lot of this is helping your digestive health, and that's where your immune system lies, which is in your small intestines. And so it's so important to support your digestive health, even if you don't think you have anything wrong, right? There's something going on down there. There's either food particles that got stuck, like animal proteins or animal meat. That could be from beef, chicken, steak, eggs. There's also a lot of things that could be going on in the digestive tract that need to be broken down, especially if stuff got caught there, if there's little pockets, causing little holes. What does TerraZyme do? It is a digestive enzyme complex and supports healthy digestion and metabolic processes. So basically it helps to break down your food so that your body can better digest it, and your body digests food best in its liquid state. And so that's what this is going to help. So the rule of thumb is you take 1 of these with any meal that's about 1/3 of the way cooked. So if you have a plate and about 1/3 of it is cooked foods and the other is raw, like maybe a salad and other stuff, then you'd only take 1. If 2/3 of your meal is cooked, then you take 2 of these. And if all of your meal or 100% of your meal is cooked, and you would take 3 of these. And that's really great for me, and that supports my digestion. And then because of that also, sometimes I need, I might use a bottle and a half in a month, and so I don't want to run out and not have that, and that's what this is really going to help me with. And so maybe every other month or so I might get 2 and help to supplement whatever I overuse or maybe use as I normally eat. To basically support your overall body, you want to eat at least 95% or more plant-based, cut down on processed foods, cut down on animal proteins to 5% or less, and then you want to eat at least 60 to 80% raw plant foods. And that is going to really support your digestion, your immune system, your energy, even support your weight management goals. And so that is really great. And that is from the China study. So if you want to look up that book, and that is going to be a really good resource for you. So boom, TerraZyme. One of the main things that's missing in the standard American diet is enzymes, specifically digestive enzymes. And so you want something that breaks down fiber, protein, fats, carbs, all the macronutrients basically. And there's a number of different ones here, as you can see. Boom, won't cover that. I've done lots of videos that talk more about these in detail though. All right, and the last thing in here is the PB Assist, which is probiotics. And this is going to support your healthy digestive function and immunities. And so this is a proprietary formula that's basically double encapsulated. Number one, it has a prebiotic which feeds the probiotics. And then once they get deposited into your small intestines, they basically help promote a healthy microbiome or microflora, which supports your digestion as well. So it's so important to have healthy and good bacteria in your gut to help, with your digestion and your digestive function, and really just support your immune system. And a lot of people don't think about that, but this is really important to have. And so you can kind of see some of the good guys in here that help you out. And boom, there's that. And there's a FOS, short chain prebiotic, and the FOS is a really long word that I don't know how to pronounce. I'm not going to slaughter it here, but just know that this is a prebiotic which basically feeds all of these guys right here. That's right. All right, so that is basically my LRP order, and I recycle the boxes and any other boxes that I have. I also recycle these as well. So I try to, help out with the environment, reduce my impact to the world and all the products that are shipped out, as well as recycling empty bottles like this. And then I will take these Lifelong Vitality Pack and other things like this and put these in my capsule holders so that I remember to take them as well. So it's not just having these, it's using these as well. So whatever we do to get well, we have to do to stay well, and this is definitely helping me in my wellness journey, and hopefully yours as well. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and seeing my unboxing of my July doTERRA LRP order. doTERRA LRP has really been just an amazing experience for me. So besides being like Christmas in a box and having that surprise factor each month, I really just am empowered with my health to take care of it in a very practical way each month. And again, it's not just getting well, it's staying well and making sure our quality of life is on that upward trend, and making incremental improvements as we can, and not just waiting till we're in a ditch to want to get product or get oils or get supplements. Instead, I might get a little dip, but I don't want to be in a ditch, right? And so it's all about being able to have an upward trend, basically, and not be in a situation where it's too hard to get out of. And by doing my doTERRA LRP order each month, I feel more empowered. I'm able to improve my quality of life. I'm able to save a lot of money, so I save now over 55% off. And so I have other videos that talk more in detail of the doTERRA LRP, but that's just kind of a summary of it, and it's so important to literally take your health into your own hands, right? And really just get the needle moving, get the ball rolling towards better, health and a quality of life for not just yourself, but also your family or those that you care and love about. And that's what it's been for me. So thank you so much for watching today. Hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe if you haven't already done so for future video updates. And check out some of the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next unboxing.